Hi everyone, this is Laura from Traverse Bay Crochet. Today I'm going to show you how to make these really pretty flower granny squares. There is a lot of texture here with the flower petals, and it's really just cute and easy to make, and you can do all kinds of things with your squares when you're done. So to get started, you're going to need a size H 5mm crochet hook, and also some medium weight size 4 yarn. You can use acrylic or you can use cotton, and I'm going to use some cotton today. So to get started, we're going to make a magic circle or magic ring, and chain 2. And now we're going to do 12 half double crochets into the circle. And now we're going to pull the close and slip stitch to join. And that is round 1. I fastened off round 1, and for round 2 we're going to grab our white yarn, slip that on, and we're going to chain 2. And now we're going to double crochet 4 into this first stitch. The chain 2 at the beginning counts as a double crochet. And 4. Now we're going to keep our loop there, but take our hook and insert it into the top of our chain 2, and then we're going to go back and grab that loop and pull it through. And that is our first petal, and we're going to chain 2. And in the next stitch, we're going to double crochet 5. And again, we're going to take our hook out and insert our hook into the first double crochet stitch, and then take our loop and pull it through. And that's our second petal. And chain 2 and go, and you can pull your petals over to get to the next stitch, and we're going to double crochet 5 into the next stitch. And again, we'll take our hook, insert it into the first stitch of our 5 double crochets, and take that loop and pull it through. And this is creating our puff stitch petal, and chain 2. So go ahead and keep continuing with our 5 double crochets and making our puff petal into each stitch around our flower. So now we worked our petals into each stitch around, and we're right here at the end and about to join. I did the chain 2 on the last petal, and we're just going to slip stitch into our first stitch on our first petal. And that is the end of round 2. We're going to fasten that off and grab our pink yarn okay, and now we're just going to pick up a stitch anywhere in the chain 2 space around on your flower, and we're going to chain 2. Now we're going to work 2 double crochet into this space. That chain 2 counts as a double crochet. And now we're going to work 3 double crochet into the next space. And work 3 double crochet into the next space. Work 3 double crochet into the next space. And chain 2. And then work 3 double crochet into the same space, and this will form our first corner. Now we're going to work 3 double crochet into the next 2 spaces. And work 3 double crochet into the next space. And chain 2. And work 3 double crochet into the same space. And this will form our second corner. And again, work 3 double crochet into the next 2 spaces. We're on our third corner, so we're going to do 3 double crochet into that next space, chain 2, and 3 double crochet into that same space. And now we're going to work 3 double crochets into the next 2 spaces. And for our last corner, we're going to work 3 double crochets into the space where we started. and chain 2, and then slip stitch in our first stitch to join, and there we have our flower granny square. I will post the written pattern in the description if you would like to have the written directions. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more free patterns, and have a great day.